Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss about robots.txt file. Now, uh, in your website, let's say that you have a number of inner pages. Okay, so if you see, say there are around 50 to 60 pages of your website, but some pages will not have proper content. Okay, say like a page will have only banner image, or it will have only kind of username password field. Okay, but those type of pages are necessary, okay, to support feature in your website. Okay, so those types of pages exist. Okay, but you will not want people to find those pages in Google search. Now when people search something, and if they click on your link, and if those links lands onto those pages, I mean pages without proper content, then it will be a bad user experience. Okay, you will not want people to visit to those sites. Okay, so which means you will not want Google to index those pages. So when Google indexes only good content pages, then of course you will have a better value in Google's index. Okay, if you have if you include all these different pages without proper content, then Google may value your site in somehow lesser way. So it is good practice to use this robot.txt, okay, to tell Google not to index those pages without proper content, or which are not meant for user to visit to land on those pages. Now this robot.txt is just a simple file. It's a notepad file where you can just put all the pages which you don't want Google to index, and you upload in your root directory. That's all. Okay, so a robot.txt file restricts access to your site by search engine robots that crawl the web. You need a robots.txt file only if your site includes content that you don't want search engines to index. If you want search engines to index everything in your site, you don't need a robot.txt file, not even an empty one. So this file is an option, it's not compulsory. Okay, this is the syntax, basic format for robot.txt. Okay, user agent, then there is star. Star indicates all the existing search engine bots in the world. Okay, if you want only Google not to index, then you can write Google bot, okay, or Yahoo bot or Bing bot, and disallow colon, and you will put whichever pages that you don't want Google to index. Okay, omitting the home page, I mean omitting the main the domain part. We'll see the example. Okay, now first you need to check if you're working for your client's website, and you need to check whether robots.txt is already present or not. So how I need to check? Okay, write your domain name. Okay, write the domain name slash robots.txt, enter. Now if it gives you 404 error, which means robot.txt file is not present in this particular website. Now let me take example of another website, webseoservices.in slash robots.txt. Yeah, now that there is something we can see. Okay, user agent star, which means all the existing search engine bots, and disallow this page, disallow this page, disallow this page, slash, this means this is after the your main domain. Okay, so which is nothing but webseoservices.in, then slash if you put this, then this is the page. Okay, so when you include when you want to include this page in robot.txt file, you don't need to copy the home page. Okay, yeah, after the slash you copy it and you can place it in here, every page. Okay, so if all the pages, if we see these are banner image, then there will be one say a thanks page and confirm order. So you don't want these pages to be seen in Google search. Okay, there's no point people landing up on these pages. So this is the format. Okay, so how do we create this format? Is very simple. You just have to create in notepad file. Just copy this in notepad file. You can just type user agent this is, or I'll just show you with an example. So take a notepad file, and all you need to do is just rename with Robots.txt. You just have to rename. This is the only criteria. Then inside you can type like this and disallow colon. Now you can put whichever page that you want Google not to index. Okay, for line by line, one by one, you can put like that. Or even if you upload only this one. Okay, now once this file is completed, then you need to upload this in the root directory. Okay, where you uploaded your webmaster file. Okay, you can upload only this one without putting anything. You can upload only this one. This means it is like telling all the search engines to disallow nothing. Okay, disallow nothing means like index everything. Okay, now some developers or some people make a mistake of using this one slash. Okay, and they upload it. This is a very wrong method. This is telling all the search engine to disallow everything. Okay, slash is like the main. We are talking about the main root of the website. So when you put this one, it means telling all the search engine to disallow means not index everything. That means search engines will never come to your website. So this is a wrong method. You delete this one, and you can upload only this one. Or if you don't want to use this robot.txt, you don't need to upload anything at all. But if you want to use, you can copy paste one by one in here. Okay, and if you have the access, you can just upload in the root directory, or you can probably give your developer to upload in the root directory. It is a good way. It's a good technique of using this robot.txt. Okay, when you have many pages which you feel it's not required for user to find in search engine Google. Okay, so next is Google Disavow tool. Okay, so this is one very important concept. Now you build backlinks. Okay, different types of techniques, different types of link building. You have done many things. Okay, but later at some point of time, like some websites say, mostly it happens with directory and social bookmarking. Some websites it will be expired. Okay, so then you don't have live link. Those backlinks, it will lead to error. Okay, it will lead to 404, and it will not lead to any page. Okay, so those type of backlinks are kind of not necessary. In fact, that can harm your website. Okay, and there can be some cases that maybe by mistake you or some of your some of your colleagues might have submitted build backlinks from say a not good quality website. Okay, like any gaming related or all those bad websites. Now when you get backlinks from those websites, it will negatively hamper your website. Okay, or there's no stopping that anybody can build backlinks for your website. So there are some negative people who do bad SEO. Suppose if you're ranking on top, so what they do is they will start building backlinks for your website. Okay, to all these bad websites, okay, which Google mark them as warning websites, then you have no control over it. That they are building your backlinks, and that is how Google, when Google comes and sees your backlinks, then it will affect your website and your rankings will go down. So this is what um, negative people do. Okay, so like once you found out that you have this type of backlinks, okay, which can hamper your website, then you need to remove those backlinks. Okay, now suppose if you have many backlinks, okay, well, with those which can hamper your website, what Google suggests is, okay, first you contact the webmasters of those website. Okay, you need to contact the web owners, ask them to remove your link. Now if they do, that's well and good, but if they do not, which is most likely because they won't have time to remove your backlinks, or say all the whatever backlinks that they are getting requests too many, so mostly they will not do. In that case, this Google Disavow tool is the other option to remove your backlinks. Okay, so what you need to do is you just have to put all the backlinks, okay, all the bad backlinks in just one notepad file, and then you can just submit to Google, or you can submit one by one manually every link to Google, so that Google will come and analyze, and if they think that this is reasonable, then they will remove the backlinks. They will remove your site from the third party's website, and the chances of affecting your website will be lesser. Okay, so let's see how to do it. Google Disavow. Okay, Google Disavow tool. Let's see. Okay, so here are the details explained by Google. Okay, this is what you need to do. Okay, and like once you have access to your webmaster, then you can directly go to this link, Disavow link, and add site. Now you can enter whichever backlink that you want to disavow. Okay, so you can enter whichever backlink that you feel is not good. You enter here and you continue. You submit it. Okay, then Google will analyze and it will remove. So this is to do one by one, and if you want to do if you want to submit many, how to say, many links at a time, then you can maintain in a notepad file all the links, and they have given this particular format to do it. Okay, this is a format. Okay, you just have to place the links like that, copy paste the link like this. Okay, one by one. Yeah, you need to copy paste one by one. But suppose if there are many backlinks just from one domain, okay, then you don't need to put all the backlinks from that particular domain. You just have to write like this, domain colon, and just write the name of the domain. Then that will include all the backlinks that you're getting from that particular domain. So this is a basic code. This is how you will maintain in notepad file. Or example is like this. Okay, so domain, from this, whichever backlink that I get from this particular domain, it will be removed from this domain of it. And if there are other, how to say, individual links, I can just simply copy paste an individual link like this, and once I'm ready with this file, then I can upload it. Okay, so now the thing with this Disavow tool is that it is not guaranteed that all the links that you submit will be removed. Okay, because Google simply cannot remove, because once Google removes, okay, then Google or search engine will have kind of warning to that particular website. Okay, so first, before removing, Google will check the third-party website, whether that website is really, how to say, affecting other websites or not. That is really against Google guidelines or not. So only if Google feels that yes, that is against their rules, then they will remove your links and they will kind of mark that particular website as a warning website. Okay, so mostly if you feel that it's a negative backlink, mostly Google will remove, but there is no guarantee that it will remove everything. Okay, and this process it will take a month or two or more. So there's no definite time for Google to do these things. Okay, to run all these things, because it must be getting lots and lots of this request. So it needs due time. It will do it. So once this is removed, then maybe you can follow the next step, like reconsideration form, so that you will come to know through your webmaster tool messages from Google. Okay, so that is all about Robot.txt and Disavow tool. Okay, some more we will discuss in our next video. Thank you.